Alright guys, welcome back to Unique Auto Detailing. My name is Eric and I'm your host, and today we're gonna do a 3-year ceramic coating on this bad boy. Check it out. It's a GMC Denali Sierra Ultimate. So I'm gonna teach you step by step how to apply ceramic coating and the prep, which is the most important thing before applying a coating, right? So first, always, you start with the wheels. You want to make sure you're gonna leave this wheel brand new or better. All right, the fenders, everything. The car has to be as clean as possible. All right, so let's clean the wheels, guys. All right, guys. So first, we're gonna turn on our pressure washer. So yeah, we have to. This is a gas pressure washer, by the way. So there's a click right here. You turn on the gas. Boom, and you grab your thing. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is rinse off the tire and the fender, right? Obviously. Let's spray with our pump sprayer. Gonna make sure to get in there and the fender as well. All right, so we have our easy brush, sorry about that, to get into the inner rims, right? You want to make sure. Now we're gonna hit the tire. All right, so now you're gonna do it with all of the tires, and then we jump to the next step. Alright guys, so for this occasion, for this vehicle, we're gonna do two foam cannons. One with super clean diluted 10-to-1. So we have a bunch of water here. We're gonna put a little bit of this so we can get rid of the dirt, and it has a sealant. So that's gonna help us remove a little bit of the sealant, but then we have to clay it to remove it fully, right? So we're gonna foam it twice. This one is a pre-rinse solution, and then we're gonna foam it for the agitation wash. All right, so stay tuned. As you can see, the sealant is still alive over here. That's why we need to clay it after 100% of it. But it did help. As you can see here, there's no water beading like here. You see the difference? So that's because we put the degreaser here, and it's not harmful to the paint, as you can see. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do the foam bath for the agitation wash. Well, I'm gonna finish rinsing everything off, and then we'll proceed to the agitation wash. I already prepared my soap for the agitation wash. So let's get it. So we have our rinse bucket here. We do not use the 2-bucket method because we did the pre-rinse solution. However, we do rinse the mitt. We just don't have the bucket with the soap in it. All right. As you can see, the foam is way thicker. Way. Now we're gonna pull out our magic table. Magic? Yeah. Check this out. Just like that, you have a table. All right, guys. Now we're gonna clay. So we got our clay loop and our clay mitt. Let's get it. Want to make sure to lubricate the surface. We clay to remove the contaminants from the paint and the rough texture. Obviously this car is brand new, but we have to take off the sealant. And this is the right procedure. Like, you don't need to cut corners, never, in your detailing business. So when you're done with the claying, you want to go ahead and rinse the car off to see if the sealant is out of the paint. This is a one-time thing because it has a sealant. If you're not removing a sealant, you still have to do the claying, don't get me wrong, but you would just rinse it, dry it, and go ahead with the procedure. I have to make sure there's nothing on the paint because when you're applying a ceramic coating, the paint has to be naked so it can bond to the coating. I'm gonna go ahead and do the iron decon. All right. Now we're gonna show you how the paint is naked without any sealant, so the water shouldn't be beating. You see how the water stays in the paint? Before it would, you see, it just stays there. Now we're gonna dry the car and we're gonna proceed to the preparation part. I wanna mention we're not gonna do a paint correction for this car because I mentioned it's brand new. For this coating, we're gonna use Diamond 36. This coating is amazing because I love the flash time.
This box usually brings, I mean, this is a used prep that we have, but this box usually brings 2 sets of gloves, size extra large and large. And it brings an applicator, which we already used, and a little buffing towel. So as you can tell, we already used this kit. What we did was we just went ahead and bought a new coating by itself because we still have some prep left over here, and we have this new, brand new prep that we haven't even opened yet. If you don't usually blow dry the car when you detail, when you're doing a ceramic coating, you definitely must do it.
Definitely must do it.
It's one of those things, one of those steps that you cannot jump for no reason. You're gonna have to do it because the car has to be perfectly dry.
This coating cures in 1 hour. Usually, all the other coatings I've used, like multiple, more than 10 coatings I've tried before, they cure in 24 hours. So this is a huge improvement in cure time and in flashing time. If you don't know what flashing is when you apply the coating, it shows like a rainbowy effect that lets you know that the coating is ready to be removed. Usually coatings tend to have a 30-second to 2 minutes flashing time. This coating has a 15-minute flashing time. So that's a huge advantage for you because you can do 1, 2, maybe 3 panels at the same time if you have someone helping you. If not, take your time. We have a lot of experiences. We've We've done coatings on Lambos, Rolls Royce, countless cars, expensive cars, so we know what we're doing. But you, if you're starting, don't be afraid. It's not complicated, you're gonna see right now, but it's something that requires skills and experience, okay? So be patient with it. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 coatings that you do one panel at a time, and then you can jump and doing 1, 2, if the flash time allows you to. You saw the clips, we were blow drying and drying the car. Now we're gonna prep the paint with their own prep solution. Alright guys, I know I'm sweating, we're working here. So for this coating, you have to shake it 15 seconds. And then you're gonna do 15 drops, 15 to 20, depending on how big is the panel. Usually people use 2 towels when you're buffing the coating, but we like to use 3 to ensure the removal of the coating on the paint, just to be extra safe. You can never be too safe when applying a ceramic coating. Alright guys, so in case you don't know how to apply ceramic coating, you get your applicator, you get your coating, and you're gonna do 15 drops down the middle. I think I already said that, but you wanna do half of the door or less. As you guys can see, the white has never shined so much. Look at that. God damn. As you can see, we're done with the coating. The shine, it's on another level. I went ahead and do the tire shine. I just finished the interior. I didn't record the interior because this video is about the ceramic coating. But yeah guys, look at that. It looks beautiful. You've never seen white paint shine so much.